So in this project, we have used AWS cloud system, and it is completely based on AWS, and we have used AWS Bedrock for the agentic AI modeling. And the most difficult part in the whole project is that selecting a best agentic AI model, like the best LLM model to perform this specific task. So we have tested more than 10 different LLMs and agentic models. Then we have finalized a model which is best fit for this project. The agentic AI not only analyze the behavior of the customer, it also analyze the intent of the customer, like where he want to spend more, and what will the next step of the customer, and how the relationship with banks increases with the customer as pitching new offers, new products like this. Now, how agentic AI helping in recommending the products and offers to the customer? It's completely personalized and depending on each and every customer's separate behavior. Like if a person is transacting in travel and roaming around the world, then the offers and the products will be recommended according to that person's behavior only. So, for example, in banking industry, when we implement agentic AI in bank, so it analyzes all the customer behavior, its spending, and its overall behavior for where the customer is spending more, and what is the mindset of the customer. So this will analyze by the agentic AI. If we hardcode it off or we limit it, so it will not analyze the actual behavior and the mindset or the perspective or the future of the customer.